Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn on Instagram like and comment notifications with the latest update. If you want to stay on top of all the likes and comments on your photos, this quick guide will help you enable those notifications directly from your phone settings. First, start by opening your phone's Settings app. This is where you control all the notifications for your apps, including Instagram. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on the Apps section. This will show you a list of all the applications installed on your device. Next, find and tap on Instagram from the list. This will open the app-specific settings where you can manage permissions and notifications. Now, tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see different notification categories related to Instagram. Look for the category labeled Likes and Comments on Photo of You or something similar. This is the setting that controls notifications for when someone likes or comments on your photos. Finally, toggle this option on. Once enabled, your phone will alert you whenever someone interacts with your photos through likes or comments. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you'll never miss a like or comment on your Instagram photos again. Remember, managing notifications through your phone settings gives you more control and ensures you only get alerts that matter most to you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check your notification settings regularly, especially after app updates, since settings can sometimes reset or change. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying connected with your Instagram community.